Alright, multiply that guy by that ugly guy, that binomial times that trinomial. So that's why it's 2 by 3. Find the area of each one, multiplying to find the area. Multiply to find the area. Multiply, base times height to find the area. Multiply to find the area. So negative 3 times 3x is negative 9x. Then combine the like terms. Those two add together to be a negative 5x. Those two guys add together to be a 3x squared. And there's nothing to combine with him, nothing to combine with him. Two ratios that are equal, you can use cross multiplication. So 4 times 10, 5 times x, and most people forget to multiply the 15 and get the 15, so they don't multiply the 3 and the 5. And subtract 15 from both sides, divide. Negative times a positive gives us a negative. Negative times a negative gives us the positive. Negative times a positive, negative. Negative times a negative, positive. That's where most mistakes happen. Add 9x to both sides, you get x. Subtract 5 from both sides, or subtract 6 from both sides, and you get 9. So x equals 9. All right. Substitution. That's this guy. Just plugging it right in. Watch to distribute. So I got those two guys. Combine the like terms. Subtract 119 from both sides. And then just divide by the 21. Don't forget to find the y. You got to find where that's true. You need an x and a y to find that. Plug in your negative 6 into one of the equations. Negative 6 gives you negative 24. Plus 17 is negative 7. Really the same problem, except it's x equals, so plug it in for the x. X equals that garbage, plug that garbage in for the x. Watch out for the negative when you distribute. Negative times a negative gives you the positive. Negative times the positive gives you the negative. Combine like terms. Add 8 to both sides. Divide by 3. Or, excuse me, divide by the 11. And you get y equals 3. Plug 3 back in. Negative 9 plus 4 is negative 5. Yes, owls have 2 legs, so that's why I did B for bird. 2 times B plus 4 times G, and G being our golden retrievers. They have 4 legs, and that would be the total amount of legs we have. And if you take the birds plus the golden retrievers, you'd have a total of 30 animals. I multiplied this equation by negative 2 and wrote it down here. So then my b's would cancel out. Multiply that by negative 2, my negative 2 by negative 2. Then when you add these two, you get 32. Gone, that's why I did it. And 2g, divide, and you get 16 for the g. So there's 16 golden retrievers. Plug 16 back in, and then solve for the b, and you get 14 owls. This one really didn't have to do anything. These eliminate right away. So you get 5x, 30. Divide by 5, you get x equals 6. Plug 6 back in for the x. Subtract and divide, and you get your 2. So there's the point where they intersect. Multiply by 4. Why did I do that? So that I'd get my x's to both be a 12, and this one be on negative, because when I multiply a 3 to this equation, I get a negative 12. So it's 3 times that one, 3 times that one, 3 times that one. This is where most people forget, is to write the 21 or the 72 there. Gone. 31, 93. Divide, you get y equals 3. Plug 3 back in. Get 12, subtract 12 over, you get 6. So you get 3x equals 6. Divide by 2, and you are, or divide by 3 and you get 2.